Making a simple booking. You can make a booking with or without an incoming call. If you answer a call, a pop-up will appear on your screen if the number is already linked to a caller. If not, you will need to press F2 for a new booking form. If the caller ID is available, information about the caller will be displayed on the screen. You can choose one of the options presented or select 0 to make a manual entry. If you select one of the past addresses, the new booking form will auto-populate with the details. If you need to make a booking without an incoming call, you will need to press F2 to create a new booking form. New should be visible in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Your screen may look a little different to the one in the example, as some fleets choose to reorder the sections. If you have multiple fleets, you may first need to select the appropriate fleet. This can be done in one of several ways. You are able to click on the fleet name at the top of the screen, select from the drop-down list or use F1 to switch between available fleets. You can then select if you would like to make this record a model booking. This essentially means a template. You can then choose to make it a favourite or recurring booking. Favourite means every time you get the same phone number, this model booking will be offered in the initial screen pop-up. Recurring means the booking you make will be available for use as a recurring booking. Setting up repeat bookings is not covered in this video. We are now ready to enter in the client details if disclosed and not automatically populated. The client section is not essential to make a booking, however, obtaining this information for future bookings is beneficial. The phone number normally comes from the phone system unless it has been set to not disclose. The passenger's name, if disclosed. The email address is used to send an email confirmation of the booking to the client. You may want to record more than one email address if you would like to send confirmation to both the passenger and to the person making the booking. The next section allows you to enter the customer pickup details. You are able to have multiple pickup and multiple drop-off addresses in a single booking. The minimum amount of information you need to create a booking is the pickup address and area. However, additional information is useful and greatly assists the driver. First, you will need to ascertain whether the pickup is at an address or a place. An address requires a street number, a place does not. For example, Coles is considered a place and therefore does not need a street number. However, pickup on Anzac Highway would require a street number to make the booking. First, enter the pickup street number if it is not a place. Then enter the first letters of the street name or place as shown. The Type Ahead feature presents a drop-down list containing candidate options. Select the appropriate option. Remember, if you enter a street name, you must enter a street number. If you enter a place name, i.e. Coles, you do not need to enter a street number. The area field will be filled in for you automatically. This is essentially the suburb. This will be the name generally used by a customer. All streets and places require an area to be nominated. Once enough information has been entered to create a simple booking, the Shortcuts panel on the bottom of the screen will show that you are now able to create the booking. Press the F6 key to create the booking if required, otherwise continue filling out the new booking form.